Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to talk about different kinds of lily bulbs. So on the left side you can see this bulb. This is a concentric lily bulb. It's a bulb of an Asiatic hybrid, and you can see that the bulb has these scales in concentric rings. The other one is a bulb of cloud stride. It's a Martagon hybrid, and it has these yellow scales, but also it's a concentric bulb. This species is Lilium pardalinum, and this has rhizomatous bulbs. So when a concentric bulb grows, it usually divides into more bulbs like this, and they usually have stem bulblets below the soil. But rhizomatous bulbs, lilies, have no stem bulblets, and they have these bulbs which grow to different directions, and they have scales arranged in a different manner. So you can see that this bulb has flowered on this stem, and it has different daughter bulbs, but these daughter bulbs grow on the side of the old bulb. And when you divide these lilies, you have to take some part of the old bulb to be successfully to grow them. You can also scale them, but they usually take like a Martagon. You have to keep them 12 weeks at 24 degrees Celsius, and then slowly cool them, because they grow really slowly. And this one is a hybrid. It's a fusion, and it's a hybrid between pardalinum, a tetraploid pardalinum, and longiflorum. Longiflorums have these yellowish bulbs, and I bought 5 of these sized bulbs. These were 14, 16 size bulbs, and you can see that it had a stem here, and now the daughter bulb is growing on the side of the mother bulb. And I also did some scaling experiments. So I took the scales, and this is year 1. So when you took the scales, you have to keep them for at least 12 weeks at 24 degrees Celsius, and then they regenerate the bulb, and then you have to cool them for at least 8 weeks at 2 to 4 degrees Celsius. On the first year, they will generate these small bulbs, and then they go dormant. So this is the second year. This is the third year of the bulb. And in the fourth year, you get these huge big bulbs. And you can see that the plant had a stem here, and the daughter bulbs are coming in the side of the mother bulb. Here also you can see that sorry, it had a really huge stem with 13 flowers, and on the side of the mother bulb, this was the mother bulb. This was the bulb before what I bought, and this one had flowered, and these are going to flower next year. The difference is because it has some genetics from longiflorum. It also makes a couple of small bulblets just above the mother bulb on the stem, and these can be grown to full-sized bulbs. So I bought 5 of these, and I had 10 stems this year, but I will going to have a lot of extra bulbs. So if you would like to have some and you live in Europe, you can send me an email, and I will send you some bulbs if you like. Interestingly, because longiflorum needs low cooling, these bulbs do not need only just 8 weeks of cold at 2 to 4 degrees, while the original Pardalinum needs at least 3 months of cold, so 12 weeks. You can also see that the scales of the Pardalinum is jointed. Here you can see that also. And funny enough, I thought that I didn't have Pardalinum in my garden because the leaves look like a very thin-leaved Martagon lily, but they were Pardalinum. So these are the differences, and I hope you learned something today, and thank you for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye.